Hey Park Hoppers, Tuffy here and welcome back to my channel. This is the first video in the series Beginner's Guide to TDR. In this series, I will be guiding you through every step of having fun at Tokyo Disney Resort. So without any further ado, let's hop into today's topic, which is land or sea. If you didn't know, there are two parks in TDR, Disneyland and DisneySea. They are both unique and fun options to choose from. Let's look at them from different perspectives. Let's start with, of course, rides. At land, you can ride a total of 37 rides. The rides are more targeted for younger kids with shorter waiting lines. Also, 5 rides have height restrictions. There are less scary and intense rides and more fun rides, such as It's a Small World. At sea, you can ride a total of 34 rides. The rides are targeted at adults and older kids. If you like thrilling rides, I know you'll like sea more. Also, rides at sea are more adventurous and have an immersive vibe. For example, there's soaring. Also, 8 rides have height restrictions. Next up, let's look at TDR with another POV. Shows and parades. At land, you can enjoy different varieties of parades and shows. There are 3 parades for almost every day. There's a firework and a projection mapping show at Cinderella Castle at night. You can enjoy a very popular dancing session for kids, Jamboree Mickey, and other 2 shows 5 times a day at an outdoor stage. There are also 2 shows you can watch in a restaurant while eating a meal. So there are a total of 10 shows and parades a day at land. In a parade, floats and characters go around the whole park, and you can see them up close. At sea, you can enjoy harbor shows and stage shows. There are 2 harbor shows a day, a fireworks show, a stage show, and a restaurant show. They do the harbor shows in the lake at Mediterranean Harbor. They go around the lake on massive boats. You can see them as close as land, but at sea, everything you can see, like the hotel and the mountain, is a part of the show, especially the nighttime show. The next POV is characters. There are a lot of Disney characters, but each park has different characters. Let's check them out. At land, you can meet most of the princesses, Mickey's friends, Big Hero 6, and Winnie the Pooh. At sea, you can meet Duffy and friends, Anna, Elsa, Peter Pan, and Rapunzel. There are characters you can meet in both parks, but I think you can meet characters from action movies at land, whereas you can meet characters from fantasy movies at sea. The fourth POV is food. Of course, there are a lot of iconic and unique foods at TDR, but each park has its own snacks and meals. I know you guys are curious, but let me start with the most iconic snack, popcorn. Everybody loves popcorn. Who doesn't love popcorn? At TDR, you can eat all kinds of popcorn. Salty popcorn, caramel popcorn, even matcha popcorn. At land, there is a popcorn shop called the Big Pop. You can buy special and big popcorn there. The next one is churros. There's the cinnamon churros, shaped like Mickey, milk tea churro, and so much more. At Halloween, there's a pumpkin flavored churros too. There are different meals at each park. Of course, there are rice themed ones, and at sea, you can eat Duffy themed ones. The fifth POV is areas. At TDL, there are 7 areas: Rat Bazaar, Adventureland, Westernland, Critter Country, Fantasyland, Toontown, and Tomorrowland. At World Bazaar, you can shop and eat at different shops and restaurants. At Adventureland, you can enjoy rides like Jungle Cruise. At Westernland, you can ride Big Thunder Mountain, which is a very fast roller coaster. At Critter Country, you can ride Splash Mountain. If you miss Splash Mountain in the US, you can still ride it here. At Fantasyland, there's the Cinderella Castle. It's a small world and enter into the world of Beauty and the Beast. Toontown is where Mickey and friends live. You can meet them and play games. Tomorrowland is my favorite area in Disneyland. You can ride Baymax's Happy Ride, which is the only big Hero 6 themed ride in the world. You can meet Stitch in Stitch Encounter and have the greatest space journey as Star Wars. There are 2 rides in development. Space Mountain closed in July last year and making a new improved one. Buzz Lightyear's Astro Blaster closed on Halloween of last year. They are making a new Sugar Rush scene ride using the same building. At TDS, there are 8 areas: Mediterranean Harbor, American Waterfront, Port Discovery, Lost River Delta, Fantasy Springs, Arabian Coast, Mermaid Lagoon, and Mysterious Island. The Mediterranean Harbor is the entrance to the whole park, where the harbor shows are hosted. You can feel the Venetian vibe running. American Waterfront is an old New York themed area. You can watch the new Big Bang Beat at Broadway Music Theater. You can enjoy a pleasant meal at SS Columbia. You can ride Tower of Terror, Toy Story Mania, the most popular ride at DisneySea. At Port Discovery, you can ride Aquatopia, which is a ride where vehicles glide across the water and do unexpected turns. That's my favorite ride, by the way. Lost River Delta is where you can find ancient ruins throughout. Raging Spirits, the roughest roller coaster in the whole park, is there. At Fantasy Springs, there are 3 sections: Frozen, Rapunzel, and Peter Pan. Fantasy Springs opened in July last year, so a lot of people go there first thing in the morning. At Arabian Coast, you can enjoy the Aladdin world. You can ride Jasmine's flying carpet and experience the flying scenes in the movie, or ride Simba's storybook voyage, and go on an adventure with Sinbad and Chandu. Chandu is a very cute tiger character only in DisneySea. Mermaid Lagoon is the most children-friendly area at DisneySea. It seems around the movie Little Mermaid, and you can see many elements from the movie throughout the area. It's also a very good place to take photos. At Mysterious Island, you can take part in a mission to search the underseas and the caverns. The last POV of the day is accessibility. Well, not exactly accessibility, but still. Disneyland is flat with fewer hills and steps. It's easy to go around and walk, especially if you're going with kids. Also, the maps are less confusing. DisneySea has steep hills, caves, and winding roads throughout. There are a lot of hidden areas only a few people know about. It will be trying to walk a sea than land, but there's an advantage to sea. There are transportation vehicles for free. The first one is Transit Steamer Line. You can ride around the harbor listening to upbeat music or looking at many stunning spots. The second one is DisneySea Electric Railway. You can ride the train between Port Discovery and American Waterfront. Transit Steamer Line is so fun and so convenient, so you should ride it. That's it for today's video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from me. Also give me a thumbs up, it'll help me so much. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!